Do you wish to study abroad or work in a country abroad? If yes, then you have to take Ielts, that is International English Language Testing System. Hi, my name is Shamita Chakraborty, and in today's video we will discuss about one of the world's most famous English language proficiency test, that is Ielts. Ielts is conducted by IDP and British Council and developed by Cambridge Assessment English. Every year, more than 2 million people take Ielts. Ielts has been the most accepted English language proficiency test in the world. In past years, it has been accepted over more than 10,000 plus universities across the globe. Ielts is conducted to test the language skills of the candidates who wish to study, work, or migrate to a country where English is the primary language for communication, like Australia, Canada, UK, USA, New Zealand, Ireland, etc. So now let's discuss about the paper pattern of Ielts. There are two types of Ielts, academic Ielts and general Ielts. For the candidates who wish to study abroad has to take academic Ielts, whereas candidates who wish to work abroad or migrate to a country abroad has to take general Ielts. For both academic as well as general Ielts, speaking and listening tests are the same, but reading and writing tests may differ. In this particular video, we will specifically talk about academic Ielts. Now let's see the paper pattern of academic Ielts in detail. The total duration of the examination is 2 hours and 45 minutes, comprising of 4 sections: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Out of these sections, the reading, listening, and writing sections are to be completed on the same day, that is in one sitting. And speaking can be scheduled within a window of 5 days prior or after to WRL test date in case of computer-based Ielts, and within a window of 7 days prior or after to the WRL test date in case of pen paper based Ielts. Now let's see these sections in detail. The first section is listening. The total duration of this section is 30 minutes plus 10 minutes transfer time. In case of pen paper based Ielts, 10 minutes transfer time is given in extra to transfer your answer from the listening booklet to the answer sheet. Take note, there is no extra 10 minutes transfer time given in case of computer-based Ielts. You will have to listen to 4 recordings, conversations and monologues, and answer to the questions asked. The recordings will be of native English speakers and variety of accents are used. Each recording will be played only once. Recording 1 will be a dialogue based on daily life and context. Recording 2 will be a monologue on day-to-day life and social context. In recording 3, you have to listen to a conversation between more than 2 people in a training industry or in an educational industry. In recording 4, you have to listen to a monologue on any academic subject. The second section is of reading. The total duration of this section is 60 minutes. There are 3 sections, each divided into a long text. There are total 40 questions asked in different question types, that is, short answer questions, multiple choice questions, completing a summary using 1 word or more than 2 words taken from the text, identifying writer's views, and leveling the diagram. The third section is of writing. The total duration of this section is 60 minutes. It consists of 2 tasks. In task 1, candidate has to write at least 150 words in 20 minutes. You are presented with a graph, table, chart or diagram and are asked to summarize your response in your own words. In task 2, you have to write at least 250 words in 40 minutes. In task 2, you are asked to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument or problem. The last and 4th section is of speaking. Speaking test lasts 11 to 14 minutes. Speaking test is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is your introduction and interview. It lasts 4 to 5 minutes. In part 1, examiner will ask you generic questions on topic like family, studies, work, interest, or reasons for taking the Ielts examination. Part 2 will be of 3 to 4 minutes. The examiner will give you a card with the topic written on it and with some points you may cover in your speech. Then, you will be given a minute to prepare. You then are expected to talk on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes and the examiner may ask you some questions on the topic. Part 3 will be of 4 to 5 minutes. It will be a two-way discussion between the test taker and the examiner. The discussion will be on the topic provided in Part 2. The examiner may ask some more questions on the particular topic. This section assesses your spoken English skills by discussing on various topics in a quiet room with the examiner. Now let's take a look on the IELTS scoring system. In IELTS, scores are graded on 9-band system. Each university and institution requires individual score for IELTS. Most top universities accept a score of 6.5 bands with a band score above or equal to 6 in individual sections. Well, that's it. If you like this video, do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Also do mention your doubts, queries and questions in the comment section below. You can also tell us on which topic you want us to talk about in our next video. You can also follow us on our Instagram handle for more valuable information on study abroad. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and good luck.